Alright everyone, in today's episode we want to show you how to make Panna Cotta, which is a delicious Italian dessert. Panna Cotta translates to cooked cream, so we begin with 500 ml cream in a pot. We also need half a piece of vanilla. We cut the vanilla piece into parts by the length and scratch out the inside of the pot, as we show you. Now we add the half vanilla pot and what we scratch out of it to our cream and start boiling it carefully. We boil the cream for now 15 minutes to enrich the cream flavor. Don't forget to stir your boiling cream regularly to prevent it from burning. While the cream is boiling, we soak 5 gram powdered gelatin with 4 to 5 tablespoons water. Later, we also dilute a half tablespoon starch in 3 to 4 tablespoons cold water and stir it under our boiling cream. Make sure that all the starch is fully diluted before you give it in your boiling cream. When 15 minutes are over, we remove the heat and let our cream cool out. After the cream stops boiling, we also add our soaked gelatin. Let the panna cotta cool out now until it has reached room temperature. When the panna cotta has room temperature, we can fill it in small jars. We cover the panna cotta jars with cooling film and place them in the fridge for at least 3 hours. While our panna cotta is in the fridge, we begin making the Berrysauce. For this, we need 100 gram mixed berries. You can also choose only one type of berry, if you prefer that. We begin cooking our berries in a small pot with 3 to 4 tablespoons apple juice and 1 tablespoon sugar. Stir your berries while they are cooking to get a smooth sauce. We want a sauce without the berry seeds, so we pour the sauce through a fine sieve after cooking it for 3 minutes. Clean the pot and give the smooth berry sauce back in the pot. Again, we dilute a half tablespoon starch in 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and add them to our berry sauce, which we carefully boil again. As always, make sure that the starch is fully diluted in cold water first, otherwise your sauce will get lumpy. We also let our berry sauce cool out. After your panna cotta has spent 3 hours in the fridge, you can add the berry sauce on the top of it. You can decorate and serve the panna cotta now, or you place it in the fridge again until you want to serve it. As always, thanks for watching. We hope you liked and tried this delicious recipe. If you're a first time viewer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thanks for all your support. Have a nice day. Over and out.